Welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to find the registration date of your Mobile Legends account. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to access your Gmail account. Once you're in, search for Moontone in the search bar and look for the verification message. The date of this message will help you determine the date you created your account. Another way to find your registration date is through your Facebook app. Go to your settings, find apps and websites, and locate the Mobile Legends app. The date of when it was added should be displayed on the lower side of the page. Lastly, you can also find your registration date through the Mobile Legends app itself. Simply tap on the Daily button and complete the missions listed. From there, tap the missions listed. From there, tap the Soul Share button and your registration date will be displayed on the interface. If you encounter any issues while following these steps, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.